To create a ShopPAK user ID, you must first have set up the person in ProjectPAK. For information on how to set up a ProjectPAK user ID, please check out the Setting Up User IDs section in the ProjectPAK User's Guide. When accessing ShopPAK for the first time, you will need to use ShopPAK for the user ID and Begin for the password. Click on Define, then Employee. You will need to set up the employee first before you can give them privileges. Click on the New button. Now enter in a ShopPAK employee ID. We recommend using the person's initials, but you can use whatever works for you. Enter in the first name and then the last name. Enter in their primary department. They will be able to work other departments. This is only to designate their primary department. Select the appropriate time clock rule shift. For more details regarding how to set up time clock rules, please check out Chapter 4, Setup and Options in the ShopPAK User's Guide. If you use an accounting package to export out your employees' payroll files, enter in the appropriate accounting employee ID in this section here. If you do not export out payroll, you can leave this field blank. Enter in the payroll GL account number. For more detailed information regarding accounting interfaces and GL codes, please check out Chapter 19, Accounting and GL Interfaces for detailed information on specific export file requirements. Check this box if you wish for this user to have their name appear on the Time Card tab and Material Card list. Check this box to have this user's name appear on the PC Data Collection Workstation sign-on screen. If this user is going to need access within ShopPAK, check this box. If they are an hourly employee, ShopPAK uses this checkbox when determining which employees should be included in payroll time and attendance hour export utilities. If you have an inactive employee, you would come back in and check this box to remove them from the active area. If you have scheduler, putting a check in this box allows for this person to have their time scheduled within the scheduler program. If this is a temporary employee, check this box. If you have the ShopPAK mobile program, check this box and enter in the appropriate account information. Next, you will need to create a wage record for this person. The wage record allows ShopPAK to accurately calculate job costs over time. Please note that you cannot backdate the start date, so you will need to set up this employee and their wage record either before or the day they start employment. Right-click in this area and click New. If you use an employee classification in your accounting package, enter it in here. It will need to be set up prior under Define Payroll Code Definition first before you can select it here. Enter in their hourly wage. If you calculate fringe benefits or payroll tax hourly costs, you'll enter them in here. The total undeveloped cost totals up these three fields. If you apply overhead as a percentage, type in the percentage here and tab out of the field. If you apply overhead as a dollar amount, enter in the amount here. This total hourly cost combines the total undeveloped cost plus the overhead cost for that total amount. Next, enter in your start date. The through date can be used either upon employee termination or if you are creating a new wage record, such as a salary increase. Click OK, and then click OK again, and then click OK to save this employee record. If you check that this person is a ShopPAK user, you will now need to give them access privileges to the applicable areas under Security. Go to Define, Security, and select the user ID of the person you just set up the employee record for. Click the drop-down list under Employee and select their name. Now you will need to click on the General Options tab. Here you will select the particular boxes you wish this person to have rights to. For detailed information regarding what each of these options does, please check out the Security Options section under the chapter Security in the ShopPAK User's Guide. Now click on the Functional Areas tab. ShopPAK has several functional tabs that run across the top of its main window. Clicking a main tab displays that function's main form and any subforms available. Use the functional areas to define which ShopPAK tabs a user has access to. If you choose Denied for a user, when that user logs in to ShopPAK, that functional areas tab is hidden. Privileges here are cumulative, so if you have delete access, you will also be able to browse as well as add update records. You'll need to select each functional area and provide the specific access level you want this person to have. Again, for detailed information regarding these option settings, please refer to the Functional Areas section in the Security chapter in the ShopPAK User's Guide. Now say you have ShopPAK users set up and want to copy an existing employee's security privileges to this new person you just created. First, click on the new person's name and select their name from the drop-down list. Next, select the user ID you wish to copy this security settings for, then click the Copy Security Settings to Other Users button. Select that new employee's name and then click OK. It will make an exact copy of the existing user's settings to the new person's ID. And now you've created your ShopPAK user ID.